Hello, you are watching the eLumen EMP Action Plans Section 3 Progress Update training video. From watching the introductory video, you know how to access eLumen, ensuring you log in as EMP contributor, and that you've selected the appropriate committee group or plan that you will be providing this update for. Ensure you click on Strategic Planning and College Plan, and you'll see at the bottom the link to the appropriate committee group or plan that you will be providing this update for EMP action plans in eLumen. Again, please be sure you click on the link and not the checkbox to open up and complete this section of the template. For this section, it will be providing a progress update. So note, the progress update should be completed annually to report on the progress of achievement towards your goals. So this section will be providing an update on the goals you previously entered and aligned with the college's EMP goals in sections 1 and 2. After I click on the link, the template opens up. So the first part you need to do for section 3 is provide a status for your goals that you've entered. In order to do this, you have to return to section 1, click on the flag right here, and you should see an arrow with a number of the unique goals that you've entered and aligned with the college's EMP goals. For the purpose of this training video, I will be using the planning committee. Once I click on that arrow, the screen will appear with the EMP goals and objectives on the left-hand side and the goals I have entered for my committee aligned accordingly. So in order to provide the status, first you want to look at the goal, and then you want to select from the statuses listed above: a modified, in progress, abandoned, or completed. And there will be a section where you could complete the text to provide information if your goal has been completed, abandoned, timeline has been revised, etc. So in this particular area, all we will be doing is identifying the status. In order to select the appropriate status, you just click once underneath the column that corresponds with the status you'll be giving it. So these goals, unfortunately, it won't let you delineate these two goals. So let's say if I have goal 5 that's completed, but let's say goal 3 is not, then you might want to click on that goal and then provide a status. Then provide a status here that says status, put the date in progress in order to differentiate. And then the text box that we'll return to for section 3 will allow you more room to explain or further explain that status. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this so I don't mess up what's already done. But I did want to show you that feature. So make sure that you scroll down and provide a status to any additional goals or objectives that you may have entered and aligned with the remaining college's EMP. For example, this one right here under goal number 5, I am going to give that a status of in progress, which is the second column, because much of this work listed in my goal here aligned with EMP goal 5 is in progress. I click save in order to save that status, and it will return me back to the screen. So next we're going to want to scroll down to section 3. So using the scroll bar on the right hand side, scroll down to section 3. In the first text box, after you enter your a status for your goals or objectives, if your objective was completed as scheduled, please indicate right here the date it was completed. So an example has been provided to you. So here you can see on this goal, we put completed, and it was completed by the target date, and so on and so forth. After you've provided the information as to if your goal was completed and the date, then you can proceed to question 5, unless your target completion date has changed. If any of your target completion dates have changed, please enter in which of your objectives or goals the target date was revised why it was revised, and the new timeline. After you do that, you can proceed to question 5. If none of your target completion dates have changed, then you can simply put a simple sentence, as you see on the screen before you, that target completion date has not changed. Then scroll down to section 5. Here is where you will provide information if your objective was completed and describing the outcomes, and if it was effective in meeting the aligned EMP goal or objective. So you could see here some information that has been provided. So if your objective or goal has not been completed, no worries. If you have any of the previous goals where we were looking at in the screen that maybe one is still in progress, but one is completed, you can add some additional notations here, if you so choose, about the in progress goal. These EMP action plans will be open and update every academic year for the whole academic year, and will close at the end of the academic year, which is June 30th. And these will be open for the life of the educational master plan, which will be through 2025. Please make sure after you edit or enter any information that you save the draft, ensuring that by the end of each academic year, you've entered all the information, provided all your updates by June 30th of every year. Then your responsible EMP reviewer will review it and approve your template, and then it can be published after that by the EMP reviewer. So that is it for section 3. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at bstone@losmedanos.edu, or you can visit the EMP implementation webpage, which provides a ton of resources such as contributor guide and the list of committees, groups, and plans. Thank you, and have a great day.